Hi guys, welcome to this new video. This is going off the new series, Toasty Time. Today we'll be making the lamb roast jaffle. It has two different types, one with tomato sauce and one with mint sauce. You may be thinking,
Look up, I've already heard of jaffle with lamb in it.
but have you heard it with mint sauce in it? Or have you heard it with tomato sauce inside with it? Thought not. Anyway, let's get back to the jaffle. To start off, this is both types of the jaffle. You want to get some peas and corn in this one, and it's called a lamb jaffle for some sort of reason. That's because it has lamb in it. You also want to get some seasoning, salt and pepper, some olive oil, some butter to make sure it doesn't stick to the jaffle maker, some tongs, a knife, a butter knife, a wooden spatula, and a spoon. Let's start off with the first jaffle. Okay, you're going to get 2 slices of bread and put them on the table. This time you want to get your butter and butter both slices of bread. You only want to butter one side of each slice of bread though. Okay, once you've done that, you want to get both slices of bread and turn them over so that you have the clean side of both sides of the bread up. What you want to do now is get your slices of lamb, get your tongs, get your slices of lamb and gently put them on the bread. More towards the middle. Keep the tongs to get the jaffle out of the jaffle machine. What you want to do now is get your mint sauce. Just drizzle it over the lamb, ever so slightly. Now, what you want to do is get your peas and corn and just put a little bit on top so that it sticks to the sauce of choice. Okay, what we want to do now is get the other slice of bread and put it on top of all your ingredients. So now you've made your jaffle with all your ingredients inside and the bread on top. Now what you want to do is put it off to the side. Now it's time to make your other jaffle. The reason why I'm doing 2 jaffles at the same time is because jaffle makers normally do 2 jaffles at once, so it will save a lot of time for you. Again, you want to get your 2 slices of bread side by side on the ground. Okay, what you want to do is get your 2 slices of bread, flop them down, get your butter and just slap it on top. Again, getting your butter, putting it on one side of each slice of the bread. Same with the other slice. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and get your tongs again. Same ones. Get your lamb, and one of the slice of the bread, get your lamb and put it towards the middle. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to want to get your tomato sauce. This is for the other jaffle, so you want to get the other type of sauce. Open it up. And carefully, because you don't know how fast it's going to come out. Never know with tomato sauce. You want to slowly push it out, not putting too much in because it'll be a bit overpowering. You know, the flavours will overpower the meat. So that looks like enough. Then you want to get your peas, again, so that they stick to the sauce of choice. Okay, that looks like enough there. Now you want to get your other slice of bread with the butter facing up and put it on top. Now it's time to put it in the jaffle machine. Once your jaffle machine is ready, our one has a green light that goes on whenever ours is ready. Yours might be different, but whenever yours is ready, there should be a little bit of smoke when you open it up. There you go. You want to put one hand on top, keep it on the lid. Do not touch the inside, your hands will explode. You want to get your first jaffle, hold two corners of it like so, and gently put it in. A little bit of sizzling, but not too much, that would warn you. Not touching the inside of the jaffle maker. Now you want to get your other one and gently put it in. Do not touch the black again. Okay, once you've done that, you want to get your jaffle machine and just push it all the way down. There's that sizzle. Oh my god, I love that sizzle. And then you push it. You can use two hands to do it. The plastic won't burn you until it clicks in all the way. Oh, there you go. Now we should let it go for about 2 to 3 minutes. We'll be back when it's ready. Okay guys, our jaffle is ready. You want to open it up. If it's sticking a bit, like mine is, your butter might have been a bit too hard, which means you didn't cover everything you needed to cover. The way to fix this is you have to have one hand on the handle here and the other hand on the bottom, and you have to really just use those opposite actions. Now that you know it's sticking, you want to push down both things, both jaffles, and then open it up fully. There's not as much smoke this time, so don't be scared. Get your jaffle, you want to wriggle it around with this wooden spoon a bit. Same with the other one. Then what you want to do is take your tongs, because the jaffles are very hot, and you want to grab the jaffle with the tongs, put it on the plate, same with the other one. And then you can just close your jaffle maker and put it off and turn it off at the power switch. Now it's time for a little bit of plating. What you can do is you can rip them apart or you can leave them. For this purpose, I'm going to keep them together, one together, and I'm going to rip one apart, just so you can see what it looks like. Okay, you can have one together, so that looks like a diamond. Or we can have the other one and stack it. Before I dig into this amazing meal, cut these things open. Now it's time to cut one of these in half. I can't believe it. You can't even see what sauce it is. It's like the colour is gone. Cut open the other one to see if we know if this one has any colour. Oh my god, I can't believe it. What? Oh, I think I see some red in this one. Yep, affirmative. This one over here is a tomato sauce. As you can see, it's a little bit red in there. Quite fascinating actually that the mint sauce, because it's actually quite clear just with a bit of mint in it. It's you can't even see any of the colour in it. It's crazy. Let's take a bite of this one. It's so good. I could eat a bucket full of that. Delicious. Now let's try the mint sauce one. The mint sauce one is a little bit sweeter because mint sauce has a little bit more sugar than tomato sauce. A lot of people think that tomato sauce has more sugar than mint sauce, but the one that I have, this mint sauce, has a lot of sugar in it. It's really healthy for you. Oh my god. That is amazing. Okay guys, this is about to be very clean very soon. I'm gonna gobble all this up. Thank you for watching this episode of Toasty Time. Like the video, subscribe. Goodbye.